thank you all so much for watching the channel. I truly appreciate everyone watching and commenting. It's been a journey so far. We only started the channel 2 years ago, I think, and are almost reaching 4,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for that. Bless you all. So to keep content flowing and coming, yeah, we need to be creative to keep it interesting at least. So today, oh, I actually forgot something really important. I forgot my bike. I forgot to pick up the scooter. Oh my god, that's funny. So I need to pick up the scooter first from my storage room, and we'll take it to Dr. Piaggio for some maintenance and some overview of all parts and all specific tuning parts we did. So just the fine-tuning details. Everyone's always asking about, like, what jet, what main jet, what pilot jet, which springs are we using, the clutch. So we're gonna go all over that one by one. So please stay tuned. Iemand is het kill switch kabeltje vergeten. Just use a magnet. So yeah, the whole point of the first ride is yeah, just testing out. I know my bike, I know how it drives. I'm curious that Dr. Piaggio noticed any problems and noticed that it lags in top performance. Niet warmer krijgen.
Niet wat was dat?
Die komt precies ook niet meer in toeren volledig, hè?
Nee, maar ik heb wel heel goede beelden voor u.
Van een motto, precies.
Focus ST.